I'm again with a little talk about anxious children. Many well-meaning parents try to protect anxious child from their fears, but overprotecting can actually make anxiety more worse. Here are the pointer for helping kids cope with anxiety without reinforcing it. Don't try to eliminate anxiety. Do try to help a child to manage it. So that is the one of the most important trait. Best way to help kids overcoming anxiety is to help them learn to tolerate it as many as they can. Over time, the anxiety will diminish. Number two is don't avoid things just because they make a child more anxious. Help childs avoid the thing they're afraid of will make them feel better in short term, but it reinforces the anxiety over longer term. So it is not that you have to avoid the things. So basically that is secondary. Number three is express positive but realistic expectation. So don't promise a child uh, that what she fears won't happen, and you know that she won't fail the test, but do express confidence that she will able to manage whatever happen. That is the way you have to express positive realistic expectation. Respect her feeling, but don't empower them. Validating feeling does not mean agreeing with them. So if child is terrified of going to doctor, do listen and empathetic, but encourage her to feel that she can face her fears. Number five is don't ask leading question. Encourage your child to talk about her feeling, but try not to ask leading questions. Are you anxious about big test? Instead, ask open-ended question. How are you feeling about, science test or science fair? Just like that, open-ended questions will be more helpful for them rather than leading question. So I think some of these are tips just to help your anxious child to feel much confident, much better. Next day, I will also discuss with some other tips. Hopefully that will help your child better. This is for today. We'll again see you next week. Bye for today.